Welcome back from that short break. I'm Nasuna Joy, your host, and we're going to talk about the controversies with the trip of the Guild government. Today we have Honorable Mitala Josh.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about the controversies in the Guild trip for this year of 2017. But first tell us about the Guild trip.
So much. My name is Joshua Mitala. I deputize the ICT ministry. Talking about the Guild trip, this is something that is like culture to Uganda Christian University when it comes to the Guild officials. Okay. Annually, each government is normally goes for a Guild trip. It is something that we have also found in place and we are embracing it.
Yeah. And of course, there have been some rumors that, the Guild are not coming up with a decision on where to go. Is it that hard to come up with a decision? And did you finally get a decision? Did you make up your mind as the Guild government that...
Like in any normal democratic place or even community, there has to be people who agree. There have to be people who don't agree. Currently, some people wanted to go to Kenya, some people wanted Tanzania, and some people wanted Rwanda. And since there's an election that is going on in Kenya next month, there could be possibilities of violence, and they wouldn't want to harm our Guild officials. Yes. Then Tanzania is a bit far, so you might end up spending all the days traveling. Okay. And yet they are given 5 days.
You personally, which team did you want? Did you want to go to Kenya or Tanzania or Rwanda?
Before I even answer that question, it's a bit tricky to me. I appreciate the work that the mass communication students are doing. They are playing the watchdog role, they are playing the eagle eye role to even identify such things. Because I didn't even think that maybe this information would get to the masses. Yes. But personally, it was a debate, and when it comes to voting, votes are always confidential. I'll keep that to myself.
Okay. Thank you so much, Honorable, for honoring our invite. Being your host, Joy Nasuna, and up next, Sports News.